Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to peek into browser automation at our anonene channel. So how we can start doing all those nice neat automations, for example web scraping, that everybody loves. So let's picture something like getting data or getting information from various of websites at, for example, your website or any other website, and you want to get all the information, for example, about products. How we can do that? First of all, in previous videos, we installed something, sorry, called an extension. You have it, or you have to have it in your Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Depends on what you're using. Once you have it, you are good to go. Let's go to Power Automate Desktop. This one is quite blank. And we want to start with a Power Automation or browser automation. We have tons of options in here. But we want to start to focus on launching the Chrome. Since I'm using the Chrome, I'm going to use and drag and drop it in here. We are going to launch a new instance or attach to running instance. You can go by your URL, by title, or use foreground window. Most of the time, we are going to launch with a new instance. The instance that I picked for you will be no other than our channel. You have to go with the URL. If you try to save it like that, automatically Power Automate will flag a warning that initial URL can't be empty. So let's go and add a URL. Windows state, I used to go with maximized. Target desktop, it's going to be local one. And browser interaction method, browser extension, or WebDriver. You go with, we can go with advanced, but you can go with clear cache. It's very hard to pronounce in my country. Clear cookies, or wait for page to load. I strongly recommend you doing this all the time. Do nothing. If a pop-up dialog appears, press a button. If you go with press a button, dialog button to press OK, or right now, you can go with accept, and then use data folder, picture and picture default. But this you won't be using that much. So right now, let's run the flow. It shouldn't be very hard, but please check that properly install. Oh, I used Firefox. My bad, guys. But it goes the same with this one, window maximized, and browser extension. Yeah, let's go. And we are going to run it through the Chrome. As you can see, easily. Very, very nice. This will automatically create an variable called browser. You can go with and rename it like YouTube anonene. Okay, just go like this. Obviously, there is options for launch new Microsoft Edge. You can create a new tab, go to web page, or click link on the web page. For example, web browser anonene UI element. We can add a UI element. This will be, let's go like this, like this. We are not going to use that one, but let's click on which element. So we can go and we can click on the first video or the first one that appears. We are going to press Ctrl and then we are going to click on the element and left click. Yet again, we don't care about advances, and click on save. Let's get rid of this one. let's get rid of this one, and let's click on the, let's go. And there has to be a problem somewhere because it's gonna be floating, right? Yeah. Thumbnail not found. We can always play around with it in our UI elements options. ID should be thumbnail, but yeah, this is something that we are going to do, well, not this time, but we can go and try it one more time. We can add a UI element. Let's go and click on something like that is just a button. Let's go and click on this button. Try it like that. Hopefully it will work, guys. I'm not quite used to, yeah, it's clicking in here. As you can see, I'm not that precise, but let's call it a day and start here, and you'll see how we can click on the button. We'll wait for the load and then click on search. Very nice. I'm not that precise, so don't worry that I clicked it. It went through this flow since there was no error. Click download link on a web page. Also very nice option. Run JavaScript on a web page. Hover mouse over element. And my favorite, extract data from page. This is what I'm using most of the time. Data from web page. And this is something that we should really take into consideration in the next videos. And oh, I almost forgot, close the web browser. So let's go. Once we hit run, we're going to click, then we are gonna click on search, and then as you can see we got rid of that particular browser. If you want to close the whole Chrome, I believe you have to go to system and then terminate process. Process name, I believe, will be, once we go like this, terminate process, and the process, it's gonna be Chrome. Yep, it's gonna be this one. And then you will close the Chrome through and through. So guys, that's how you can start and launch web pages through Power Automate. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can, for example, download a data from Power Automate as it is. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.